So, all right, Rob. So why is it important to invest in sales training to make sure that you're investing in your team in this 2020 market?
Well, I think it's important that we, it's, the one thing that we do, we want to make sure that our team can be the best that they can be. And, I think what this sales training does for us is it gives us a competitive edge relative to the competition in our market. The one thing that I would say is that I don't know any other builder that's offering a program like we are on an ongoing basis. So again, it's about how can we ensure that our team is the best they can be, and can we do to ensure that we have an edge versus the competition, and this training allows us to do that.